In this step-by-step guide, you'll learn how to convert any M4A file to M4R format using MiConvert's free online converter. Step 1. Open Google and type M4A to M4 or MiConvert. Click the first search result to open the converter page. Step 2. You should now see the M4A to M4 or converter page. Everything you need is right here on one page. Step 3. Click Choose File. Find your M4A file in the file browser, select it, and click Open to upload it. Step 4. Your file is now uploaded. Review the details shown on screen, then click Convert Now to start converting. Step 5. Wait for the conversion to finish. The progress bar shows how much is done. It won't take long. Final step. Click the Download button to save your converted M4 or file. That's the entire process, simple and free. You've just converted M4A to M4R in under a minute. Visit MiConvert.com for more tools. Subscribe for more guides.